Hey y'all, I'm Laura, and I got this hair to stick it straight up. Damn it. I'm Laura, and welcome back to Confident Notions. So, today I've got kind of a collective haul. This past weekend I went to Target and Walmart, and I've already had to distribute some of what I purchased to my child, to my husband. He's like, dude, where's the diapers you bought? I'm like, oh, I gotta do a haul. So, I got that. And you know I got some Dollar Tree stuff. Come on. You know. Right? Alright, so let's get into it. So, at Target, I went over to Target. Well, first of all, I went to Walmart because I was looking for a new swimsuit for my child. She's got two that are her size this year, but because she's been going to the pool more frequently because it is open and nothing else is open, we're going through bathing suits a lot faster, so I wanted to get her another one. I already gave it to her. It's really cute though. And then you're like, why are you doing a haul video if you can't even like show me what it is, Laura? It's really cute. It's like, it got cherry on it and it's like a two-piece like tankini with like blue checks. But anyways. So then I picked up these two cups for her as well. These are the Pillow Fort tumblers, BPA free. I thought they were super cute. And I'm gonna drop them. But I thought these were super cute and kid-sized. Even though she is 3, she could give 0 Fs about a sippy cup at this point. So I don't even bother anymore. But she loves a cup. And since I've got a Cricut coming, I thought I could maybe embellish it or put a little something on here. And I thought that would be cute. Again, I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but they were like 79 cents. So I got that. And then her thing, and then this. Okay, this is so cute. My sister-in-law got her a Frozen 2 nightgown for her birthday, and now she's decided it's a dress, and I couldn't get it off of her on Sunday. Like, she wouldn't stop wearing it. But then I finally got it off of her to wash it because she peed on it. But I saw this. Would you look how freaking cute this is? It's a little on a dress, and look, would you look at this? How cute is that? I got this at Target too. I got this as a 4T. I thought she could grow into it. I thought this was so stinking cute. So I am saving this as a pooping in the potty reward, and I apologize for those of you who are here for Dollar Tree hauls and keep hearing about me talking about poop, pee-pees. It's a way of life around here. Anyways, so that is what I got at Target. Moving on. Then at Walmart, I picked up a couple of things. The first thing I got, some of their paper plates. Now, you know how your girl feels about paper plates. I don't really care for paper plates because I feel that they are wasteful. I feel like you've got plates, you wash them, so forth. However, with everybody being at home during this time of pandemic and quarantine, we went through a lot of plates. And I hate washing dishes and having have the sink fill with dishes more than I hate paper plates. You gotta prioritize. So now that my mother-in-law has gone back to her other house for the summer, she's gone to my sister-in-law's house for the summer. So there's one less person. Fingers crossed, it sounds like Morgan is going back to daycare sometime at the end of this month. So then it'll just be my husband and I throughout the day. So we will go through far fewer plates. So I feel this is probably like the last pack that I'm going to get for a while until like we pack up all of our crap and our dishes are packed away and we got to eat off of something. So, but I did grab one more of those. I usually get, like, I try to get the Dollar Tree ones that have, like, those big, thick ones that have, like, 10 in a pack. But they go pretty quickly. Like, you can't always find them at the Dollar Tree. And I don't like those little thin ones. That's just me. Then I picked up a box of these Velveeta snack packs. I bought these for me. I think they're delicious. I love having them appear in my office. Like, so when it's time to, like, break my fast, I was like, ooh, I got this, or a little snack. However, Morgan has discovered them and she likes them a lot. And I was like, I got you kid snacks. And she's like, oh, can I have a snack bag? I'm like, yeah, you have a snack bag. And then I also picked up another bag of these. I regret a lot that I didn't buy these when they had them in like the individual packs. Like it was like 4 bags of these at the Dollar Tree. These are delicious. These Cheez-It Snaps, these cheddar, sour cream, and onion. They're thin like a cracker, but they remind you of a chip, but they're not, but they are, but they aren't, but they're good. Like, these are good. You should get these. Like, you should totally get these. All right. Then Walmart was getting back their stash of like flushable wipes. So they had the Cottonelle ones, and I grabbed those, but I saw this bigger ones, and these are flushable wipes. It says they compare to Cottonelle. You get 144 wipes in here. Hypoallergenic, fresh scent, plant-based fibers, biodegradable. You get 48 wipes in each of these packs. I do not flush these because we have a septic tank here, so we're just like right outside of the city limits, and so we're not on like city sewage. So it says biodegradable, but look, you don't want to take a risk of your septic tank being accidentally full of flushable wipes. But again, potty training. So we're going to keep these to clean up in the bathroom. Then, this was a total impulse buy, and believe you me, my pants are saying, girl, eat a salad, but I have not seen a whatchamacallit in a hot minute. And let me tell you, like, I love me a whatchamacallit. Like, these are good. And I have not seen these in so long. And so it's like, there's crispy and there's caramel and is there peanut butter in here too? Yes. Chocolate peanut flavored crisps and caramel. If you have not had a whatchamacallit, they're delicious. And I have not seen these in forever, so I picked them up myself. I don't need it. My ass says, Laura, you don't need it. But my heart says, just have a bite. Just a little taste. Then I picked up these. These are green silver eucalyptus. So I thought these were really pretty. I don't know why I feel like I got some crafting coming up. Like I'm building up for some crafting, and I thought these were super pretty to put like on a sign or something like that. And I got these out of the $2 bin, and they rang up 75 cents. So I got these for 75 cents a piece. So nice. So I got those. And then the last thing I got at the Walmart was I picked up a bathing suit for myself. And I gotta tell you, I was pretty impressed with like the selection of suits that they had left there. So I got this like these Time and True bottoms, and like it's very rare that you can find like a high-waisted bottom. And these are a large. They were originally $14.88. They were on sale for $10.50. And then the corresponding top I also thought was really tankini top was kind of cute. Also in the large in a and this was also $10.50. So hopefully that'll fit and not show my stuff. And yeah, I need lipstick. I usually have like some Dollar Tree something around here somewhere. No, I ain't gonna. Anyways, moving on. I'll show you some Dollar Tree stuff to get going. Look at my wait. Is there a bag over here? No. Okay, good. I cleaned that out. Okay, so I'm sure y'all have seen like the Dollar Tree DIYers, and they take these pizza pans and then like they paint them and they put like stuff on them with a bow and all of that. I told you about a Cricut. It's shipped. It's coming. I'm excited. Anyways, I don't know what I'm gonna do with these, but I know a lot of people are like do crap with these pizza pans. So I looked at like 3 different Dollar Trees and I couldn't find any, and I finally found them. So I picked up 6 of these to put in my craft stash because they're not that easy to find. Ooh, I picked up another pair of goggles for my child because with COVID and all of that, they're putting extra chlorine in the pool, and so let's just protect her eyes a little more than we currently are. Poor thing. Let's see. Just some digging here. Oh, I picked up one of these too. So this is another one of those sectional plates. So I hauled some of the red ones, like the red kids plates before. And she really enjoys these. And you can get a good bit of food on here. So they had this one, it was a slightly different design and I liked it. So I grabbed that for her as well. Child's been on an eating spree. So I have a feeling we're gonna have a growth spurt soon. She ate like a crap ton. I mean a crap ton of grits just now. And some cereal and an egg. And I'm like, I don't know where she put it. That's what happens. You take them to the pool and they burn a bunch of calories, you know. Then they wake up in the morning and they're starving. Anyways. So, I'm sorry. I'm trying to like put this stuff together. I'll do kid stuff. So this here is like a Sidewalk chalk stencil. And I thought that was super cute because, you know, we got Sidewalk chalk. But would you look at these? And I got the sea life ones, of course, because of the jellyfish, right? And so I thought these were super cute. So it says there's 2 sheets in here, and then you take these out and you pull off the little pieces and you can use it as a stencil. So cute, 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 cute. Then I got one of these basket bags, and there you get a 2-pack of these in here, and I should turn it around and you should see what it looks like. So these basket bags I thought were, I needed one. I was packing up something to send off for some friend mail and I didn't have one of these, and I just kind of like wrapped it up in some bubble wrap and it was weird. So I picked up one of those instead. Then I showed those already. Oh, this was new. This was new. I had never seen this before, but this is Tony something or other's Creole food seasoning. So this looked to be a name brand. TonyChicheri.com. They're out of Louisiana, famous Creole cuisine, and it says there's no MSG, whatever. It's a world famous original Creole seasoning. It's an extraordinary blend of flavor, spices, cooks everywhere, make your food taste delicious, put on barbecue and french fries, and use it like salt. When it's salty enough, it's seasoned. Nice. Directions, use it like salt. When it's salty, it's done. But it's a combination of what's in here. It's salt, red pepper, black pepper, chili powder, peppers, spices, salt and garlic powder. So I thought I'd give that a go. Then I picked up another one of these. I hauled this before and I went to drink out of it and it had like a little hole thingy in it. It kind of looked like it got melted or something. It was weird. So my drink leaked out of it and then I was sad, so I bought another one. That's how that goes. Then I also picked up, oh, we got some crafty stuff in here. Let me put this off to the side. You won't like this. Remember, I was on this crafting spree, so I picked up 2 rolls of this burlap ribbon. And so just the plain burlap ribbon and the one with the lace on it, which I thought was cute. So for my DIYs. And then I picked up one of these things of the jute cord because I thought that was something that we could use to decorate, right? And oh, I'll bring out these. I'm going to save those for another video because this is so separate deliciousness. And then, oh, I saw these containers and I like that you got 5 of them. So in one of my other videos, I was complaining because like I needed small containers and I couldn't find any small containers. I'm like, why the hell don't I have small containers in the house? And I couldn't find any. So then I saw these and you get 5. And so this Shore Fresh, I'm sure it's imported by Greenbrier. Anyways, you get 5 of them and it's 5 little containers, which is great if you just got a little something that you want to put aside because you know your kids are going to eat it later. There you go. So I picked up that. And then the other, we'll just do this bag. I'll call it a day. Oh, I picked up one of these sponge holders. My husband cannot keep a damn sponge on the side of the sink. It's disgusting. I always find the sponges in the sink. So I saw this and I was like, oh yes. Oh yes, we are. So I found this sponge holder and I was abnormally excited about it. Again, you know, you're getting old when you get really excited about a sponge holder. So I picked up that. And then I picked up another pair of these cutting scissors because we're going through a lot of freeze pops right now. And my husband does not wash off the scissors after he cuts the freeze pops. And then I get a sticky, gross pair of kitchen scissors. There's a theme here, isn't there? It's a pain. It's fun. That was smooth. More napkins because can't have enough napkins. And then I also got another, I found this cute little blank shirt. I just stopped buying the shirts for now because I tie-dyed the hell out of a bunch of them. But this one here was a 3T, just a plain blue shirt. And I picked this up because I'm gonna put a little something. I mean, I needed it to try out like when I get my Cricut. Like, so when I get it, I needed like a shirt to like put some stuff on it and see like, and so if I ruined it, it was $1. You know what I mean? Then the last thing that I will show you right now, which is not that exciting, but this is a chopping mat. And I thought this was really cool. So you get 2-piece chopping mat. It's for carving and chopping and crafts. And I don't know if I'll put it down with the, I might save this. I might put this up here just to keep some, I might put this with my crafty stuff. So, but it's just like a plastic, like a hard plastic sheet, and you get 2 of them. And then you put it down and then you can make a mess and have easy cleanup. So that's all. So I think that's all. I'm gonna make some, I got a meeting soon. So I hope you enjoyed that. And now I get to put some of the stuff away, which is super exciting. So I hope you are having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for all of my subscribers, all you new ones. Y'all rock. So if you like what you see here, please do go ahead and hit that like button and that subscribe button. I would be super excited if you did that. And yeah, so I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.